In this video, we will focus on how to find the lateral surface area of rectangular prisms. The formula we are given is S equals capital P times H, where capital P represents the perimeter of the base and H represents the height. The easiest thing for me to do to find perimeter is just to add all the sides of the base. So my base is a 10 by 8 rectangle. So to find perimeter, I will do 10 plus 8 plus another 10 plus 8. The reason is because on the other side here, I have another 10, and on the other side over here, I have another 8. So I'm just basically adding all these four numbers together. Then I will multiply that answer by the height, and the height is equal to 3. So 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8 should give us 36. And then I'm going to take the number 36 and multiply that by the height, which is 3. So perimeter of the base is 36 times 3 will give me my lateral surface area. If I type 36 times 3 into the calculator, I get my answer of 108 centimeters squared. Again, this is the formula for lateral surface area, so there's not as much steps you need to do compared to total surface area.